The tractor isn't here. It's a little tiny.
This is Anders seeing his Christmas present, the train table, and all the tracks. Anders! Anders. Anders, do you like your train set? Christmas came early for Anders. You got this, his brand new toy chest. Anders. Hey. Where's Tom? There's Tom. We can pull it out for him. Anders, look at this.
Look, Anders, it's a bridge.
A bridge? Kabooms.
Is that cranky?
No, it's
Just a crank. Look, it's a waterfall.
a crane.
It's a waterfall.
Whoosh.
Uh-oh, the water's falling.
Into the land. And there goes Thomas.
Yeah, let's see. And there's Lady. Look, who's this? Can you put him through here? Put him through here. What's this?
Water.
Water. Look, there's some road.
For Sir Topham Hatt. This is how it's supposed to be, like the tracks that came with it. So I just set up how it's supposed to be, and then we can take it down, make it Sodor if we want to. You want to take over this while I so I'm starting to cook.
He wants in the boxes, Dad.
Huh?
He wants in the boxes.
Well, then open them up.